Giraffes have a unique and fascinating lifestyle that revolves around their distinctive physical characteristics and adaptations to their environment. Giraffes are social animals that typically form loose herds. Unlike some other social mammals, giraffe herds have a flexible composition and can change frequently. Herds usually consist of females and their offspring, while males often roam alone or form bachelor groups. Within these herds, giraffes engage in various social behaviors. Females often form strong bonds with each other and their calves. Males, on the other hand, establish a hierarchy through necking contests, where they use their necks to spar with each other. These contests can determine dominance and mating rights. Giraffes are herbivores, primarily feeding on leaves, buds, and twigs of trees and shrubs, with a particular preference for acacia trees. Their long necks and tongues allow them to reach high branches that other herbivores cannot. They spend a significant portion of their day feeding, typically around 16 to 20 hours. They can consume up to 75 pounds, 34 kilograms, of foliage daily. Although they can drink large amounts of water when available, giraffes can go for several days without drinking by relying on the moisture content in their food. Giraffes produce a range of sounds, including grunts, snorts, hisses, and moans. Although generally quiet, they have been found to communicate infrasonically, using sounds below the range of human hearing. They also use visual signals and body language. For instance, they may use head movements and neck postures to communicate. Giraffes do not have a specific breeding season. Males seek out receptive females and may mate year-round. Courtship involves a series of interactions including sniffing and licking. The gestation period for giraffes is about 15 months. Females typically give birth to a single calf, although twins can occur, but are rare. Calving usually takes place in a standing position, and the newborn drops about 6 feet to the ground, which helps stimulate its breathing. Newborn calves are able to stand and walk within a few hours of birth. They stay close to their mothers for protection and nursing. Weaning starts around 6 months, but calves may continue to nurse for up to a year. Giraffes sleep very little, typically between 10 minutes and 2 hours per day, often in short naps. They sleep standing up or lying down, but lying down is rare due to the vulnerability to predators. Giraffes are highly mobile and can cover large distances in search of food. They walk with a unique gait, moving both legs on one side of their body simultaneously. When they need to move quickly, they can run at speeds up to 35 miles per hour, 56 kilometers per h, for short distances. Giraffes inhabit savannas, grasslands, and open woodlands in sub-Saharan Africa. Their range has diminished due to habitat loss, human encroachment, and other environmental pressures. Various conservation organizations are working to protect giraffe habitats and address threats such as poaching and habitat fragmentation. Efforts include creating protected areas, anti-poaching measures, and community-based conservation programs. The giraffe's long neck and legs are well adapted for reaching high foliage and spotting predators from a distance. Their prehensile tongues and tough lips allow them to handle thorny plants like acacia trees. Giraffes have a specialized cardiovascular system, including a large heart and high blood pressure, to pump blood up to their brains. Their vascular system also includes valves to prevent blood from rushing to their head when they lower their neck to drink.